Hey Sonic and DC fans, this is Mr. Mario Fan 12 and today we're going to be doing something different. And this is going to be an unboxing video. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen these two of the Shadow as the Batman on my Instagram. But he's mainly Shadow as Batman, but I call him Shadow the Bathog. Get it? Instead of Hedgehog, it's Bat-Hog. Shadow the Bat-Hog is what I'm going to call him. I've started to notice that Target has this line of Sonic slash DC toys that's basically Sonic characters as DC superheroes. Like Shadow is Batman, and Silver is Green Lantern, Knuckles is Superman, Tails is Cyborg, and Sonic's the Flash. So of course I have to get Shadow, and the Shadow as Batman, because, you know, I'm not a fan of these superhero stuff, but if I have to choose a DC superhero, I would say Batman, and my favorite character in Sonic is obviously, of course, Shadow. So it makes sense that I would get Shadow the Bathog. Again, I got all of these at Target. Those are where I got these from. Every single one of these was from Target. So you can find these at Target for the plushies and this figurine. So we're going to start with Shadow the Bathog figurine. And if you turn it over, it has 22 points of articulation. And it gives out a description right here. It's really hard to see. And it has other figures like Knuckles as Superman, Tails as Cyborg. So other than that, let's not talk anymore and let's open it up. Here we go. It's those nostalgic days of opening up these figurine boxes. Oh, great. Does anyone have any scissors? Ah, here we go. Let's try to cut this out. I know it's hard to see. Go. Now cut this right here. And on his feet. And here we have Bat-Hog, Shadow the Bat-Hog, and it's I really like this so far. It comes with the cape, and comes with the shoes on it. That looks really nice, and actually this is pretty cool. To be honest, I do like this. This is really nice. Now for the articulation, of course, with figurines, they gotta have their heads rotate 360. And his arms can go forward and back, up and down, and bend his elbows. And even his hands are articulated with his fingers. They can go up and down like that. And for his legs, he can bend his knees. So that is the Shadow the Bathog action figure. If you're a fan of Batman and favorite character of Sonic is Shadow, then you might consider this. And not to mention, he doesn't stand up. See if I can get him to stand. No, exactly. It doesn't even work. If you try to get him to stand, okay, try to get him to stand. Yeah, let's try it again. No, doesn't even work. The Shadow the Bathog action figure doesn't come with any accessories. Oh, not to mention, the cape is articulated? No. Well, actually, I don't think you'll be able to see it because my hand keeps getting in the way. I mean, it almost can be articulated, but not quite. So that is the Shadow the Bathog action figure. Who are you? I'm Bathog. Now that we got the Shadow Bathog figure open, now we got the Batmobile. Shadow and Batmobile. You can see how look on the back of it. And it sees with this thing that is right here, I think it goes on the front of it, and I think in the button it shoots out, as you see in the back of the box right here. So you see it shoots out like a bullet. So you put it on to the front of the car and it shoots out. So this should be interesting. Let's not any longer, let's open this up. Here we go. Is he gonna sit? Is he gonna stand? No, he's not. Whew. And here is Shadow's Batmobile. And I like how it has the Shadow the Hedgehog logo on the tires. I really like that. That's really nice. So here is the front of the car where this goes, right here. So we stick this on there. And this is the button that shoots out. And if we move the car, you can see this rotates. Oh wait, we need a driver. Oh, here's our driver, Shadow. So this is the seat where we put Shadow in. It's gonna go in here. For articulation for this Shadow figurine, you can move his head, his arms, his legs, only in the back. Try to get him up front. Oh, there we go. It's just not much for his articulation. His head, his arms, and his legs. That's the articulation for this little Shadow. Alright, Shadow, let's sit down on your Batmobile. And he's on his seat, ready to roll. Shadow is all seated and ready to drive. Let's go on the road. On my floor.
These Eggman robots will turn to apple into applesauce.
And last but not least, what to talk about is the plushie. Yes, they even did plushies of all the Sonic DCs. And yep, I had to get the Shadow Batman plushie. And you all might be wondering, since I bought a plushie of it, are you going to do a video of this? Are you going to do a video Shadow with Batman's? Actually, come to think of it, before I bought this, I was thinking, yeah, I think I should do a video of Shadow the Bat-Hog. That can be the title of a video, called Shadow the Bat-Hog. I don't know if you guys want me to do a series, or if you want me to do just a movie. Let me know in the comments what you guys want for Shadow the Bat-Hog. Do you want me to do a series or a movie? Let me know in the comments below. So again, this is the plushie of Shadow the Bat-Hog. So I might do a video of it. Depends on what you guys want in the comments. So that is the Shadow Batman Toys review and unboxing. Unboxing and reviewing. With the figurine, the plushie, and the Batmobile. Again, you can get these at Target. That's where I found all of these, at Target. They also have the line of figures for the others, like Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, and Silver, as I mentioned. And so good luck finding them at Target. That is the unboxing and review of the Shadow Batman toys. For the sign-off, this is Mr. Mario Fan 12. Signing off. Thanks for watching.